Eating garlic daily is great for your health, offering a myriad of benefits ranging from boosting your immune system to improving cardiovascular health. This powerful superfood is packed with essential nutrients and compounds that can help prevent various illnesses and enhance overall well-being. However, to fully benefit from it, you need to avoid some common mistakes that most people make when consuming or preparing garlic. These errors can significantly diminish the positive effects that garlic can have on your health. So without further delay, let's dive into what those mistakes are and how you can ensure you're getting the maximum health benefits from this incredible natural remedy. Number 1, are you taking garlic supplements? Many people choose garlic supplements over fresh garlic, but doing so can significantly reduce its health benefits. To fully benefit from garlic's healing properties, it's best to eat it raw and slightly crushed. Raw garlic offers unparalleled health benefits that can't be matched by pills, powders, or capsules. This is likely because the phosphorus gas, which gives garlic its distinct smell and many of its benefits, dissipates when garlic is dried, processed, or heated. Consequently, the health benefits also diminish. If eating raw garlic seems challenging, remember that it's as effective as penicillin in some cases. Number 2, are you taking care of your gut bacteria? If you continue to consume junk food, fast food, and toxic processed foods, garlic alone won't protect you from bacterial infections. These unhealthy foods increase oxidative damage in your body, weakening your immune system. A weak immune system makes you more susceptible to pathogens like bacteria and viruses. Your gut is your first line of defense, so it's crucial to keep it healthy by providing your body with beneficial bacteria. These good bacteria are abundant in fermented foods, such as Greek yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha. You might also consider taking probiotics. In short, eliminate foods that disrupt your natural gut flora to let garlic work its magic. Number 3, are you cooking garlic the right way? Adding garlic to your meals can certainly enhance their flavor, but if you want to fully benefit from garlic's health properties, avoid cooking it. The active ingredient allicin is destroyed by heat and is only effective when the garlic is raw and uncooked. Therefore, it's best to cook your food first and then add the garlic. If you must cook the garlic, try adding crushed garlic during the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking to preserve as much allicin as possible. Number 4, do you eat garlic on an empty stomach? Several studies show that garlic helps reduce inflammation and contains antioxidants beneficial for those suffering from certain intestinal worms and colon infections. When you swallow a garlic clove, it remains intact until it reaches the intestines. There, the alkaline environment breaks it down, releasing allicin, its active ingredient. This is when garlic's true power as a bactericide, virus killer, fungicide, and worm killer is unleashed. This method is especially beneficial for people with stomach pain or acidity, as garlic doesn't harm the stomach. Therefore, it's best to consume garlic on an empty stomach for maximum benefit. Number 5, do you use pre-cut garlic? When we crush garlic, the strong smell indicates that allicin is breaking down, making it less effective. It also releases organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants beneficial for heart health. Once garlic is cut, it quickly loses its smell and taste. Therefore, it's better to use whole cloves, with fresh ones being preferable to dried. Before using garlic, ensure the bulbs are firm and free of buds. Store dry garlic in a cool, dark, dry, and well-ventilated place. For those focused on health benefits, consuming fresh garlic in crushed or mashed form is ideal. This method allows better absorption of sulfur compounds and antioxidants, which help improve blood flow in the heart and arteries by reducing triglycerides and LDL bad cholesterol. Number 6, are you a fan of garlic tea? Garlic tea is made by steeping garlic in boiling water and then straining it out. However, as you may know, heat negatively affects allicin, the active ingredient in garlic. Consequently, garlic tea is likely less beneficial for your health than more concentrated forms of garlic. Additionally, there is no significant evidence that garlic tea can prevent or treat any illness. Many websites promoting the health benefits of garlic tea often refer to studies on whole garlic, garlic oil, or garlic extracts, not the tea itself. Furthermore, no studies have specifically examined the health benefits of combining garlic, honey, and lemon in a drink. Therefore, many health claims about garlic tea found online are likely untrue or exaggerated. Number 7, are you eating garlic during pregnancy? Garlic is generally safe for pregnant women to consume in amounts typically found in food. However, it's important to exercise caution. Consuming large quantities of raw garlic or garlic-flavored foods can be problematic. Garlic can raise body temperature, which may increase the risk of miscarriage. Due to its strong properties, it's best to avoid garlic supplements during pregnancy. Stick to moderate amounts of garlic in your diet to ensure safety. Number 8. Are you consuming too much garlic? Excessive consumption of garlic can lower blood pressure for 1 to 2 hours and cause stomach irritation due to its sulfur content. This redirects blood flow to the stomach, reducing circulation to the rest of the body. Moderate garlic consumption typically doesn't cause such issues. Additionally, experts believe that eating too much garlic won't effectively combat Helicobacter pylori, a stomach bacterium or other usually harmless intestinal bacteria, nor will it help with fungal infections. If you have stomach or intestinal issues, it's best to consult a doctor. Number 9. Garlic shows its effects in some foods, but not all. Garlic is commonly used in specific dishes, such as fish soups, mollusks, and seafood like mussels, marinara. However, it might not be necessary to use garlic in sautéed foods like mushrooms or kidneys in stews or in sauces for pasta or rice. If you can forego garlic oil and chili peppers in your spaghetti, try chewing a few coffee beans or fresh mint leaves after dinner to freshen your breath. Number 10. Are you using garlic with homeopathic drugs? If you're taking homeopathic medicine, it's best to avoid eating garlic. Some studies suggest that garlic and onion can interfere with the effects of homeopathic treatments. Since homeopathic medicines are absorbed and begin to work in the mouth, it's recommended to ensure your mouth is free of strong flavors or odors like those from garlic before taking the medication. Number 11. Peeling garlic too far in advance can cause it to lose its freshness and health benefits. Allicin and other beneficial compounds in garlic are most potent when the garlic is freshly prepared. When garlic is peeled and exposed to air for extended periods, it begins to degrade and lose its effectiveness. For maximum benefits, it's best to peel and use garlic shortly before you need it.